So here we have a porcelain plate from the Tsarskoe Selo service. This particular plate was produced by the Imperial Porcelain factory. They produced all the plates for the Tsarskoe Selo service. This service was used in the Alexander Palace, which was the home of Tsar Nicholas II and his family. You can see the Imperial Eagle up here. Hand-painted, of course. And if we flip it over to the back, we can see that this particular plate was made in 1913. We also see the monogram of Tsar Nicholas II. Most Imperial Porcelain factory pieces were marked with the monogram of the current monarch, along with a date. This plate has minor wear around the bottom of the edge here from being used, but overall it's in very nice condition, especially considering it's over 100 years old. Alright, thank you for watching.